Can you believe the price of eggs nowadays? It's crazy, and with all the news about egg shortages and high prices, it's more important than ever to know how to check if your eggs are still fresh. We've only just started raising our own chickens and gathering eggs, and so far, it's been an exciting journey. But with the prices going up and the egg shortage making things even harder, we realize we need to make sure we're getting the most out of the eggs we have. One of the easiest ways to check if our eggs are still good is with the egg float test. And today I'm going to show you how it works. First, let's gather some eggs so we can compare them with the older ones we've harvested over a week ago. Found some eggs, but we're not sure if they're newly laid. Let's go back inside. To do the test, all you need is a bowl of water. Just fill it up enough to cover the eggs. Now, place the egg in the water. If the egg stands up at the bottom or tilts a bit, it's still good, but it's not as fresh as when it was laid. It's still fine to eat, just use it up a little quicker. If it floats to the top, that means it's too old to eat. As eggs age, the air pocket inside gets bigger, and that's what causes them to float. So remember, if the egg floats to the top, it means it's too old. As eggs age, the air pocket inside grows, making them float. If the egg stands upright, or tilts a little on the bottom, it's still good, but it's not as fresh. Finally, if the egg sinks to the bottom and lays flat, that's a sign it's a fresh egg. Thanks for watching. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time, right here at Wilson Brothers Ranch.